Wait. So before you add this one, this is the important part. Where's your last one at? Okay, so where is it? All right, so hold that out like that, right? And then grab the new one you was about to with your other hand. Keep holding that one out and then grab the new one with your other hand.
Got it.
Okay, so let the lock go though. You gotta let it go. Like with your left hand, I want them to kind of trade places so that when you go around, that one kind of pulls the other one in place.
Gotcha. I felt it too.
Let me see. Okay. And on this part, you're going to wrap all the same way. So make sure right. Okay, there you go. And just pull it down. Like pull that one down. The one that's that you just got done wrapping with. Pull it down kind of tight so it's taut, and it makes your barrel stiff and immovable. When they start hitting up against the car seat and all of that stuff, it'll survive that.
Oh, okay, cool.